GenAi-in-a-Box turns generative AI into enterprise-ready execution. We deliver industry-specific use cases built on generative AI and powered by an agentic execution layer. In pharma, GenAI generates clinical insights, while agentic AI orchestrates workflows to support faster data-driven decisions. In banking, GenAI analyzes financial data, and agentic AI continuously monitors cash flow and risk within governed environments. In retail, GenAI understands customer behavior, while agentic AI delivers real-time, personalized engagement at scale. In manufacturing, GenAI predicts operational patterns, and agentic AI drives proactive optimization and efficiency. One platform, multiple industries GenAI in a box, where generative AI becomes agentic.